I think African and Middle Eastern culture do have some similarities, especially in particular because of Islam. So as a Middle Eastern man, my father was Iranian, my mother's Jewish, but my father built the toughness in me.
Yeah.
And I think that a lot of Middle Eastern fathers have that in common with African fathers. And I say that respectfully. And one last thing, I live in a German village, basically.
Wow,
in a German city. And in the German city that I live, the little village that we are, so many people are happily married. And so many people live long lives. It's a simple lifestyle. When you come to these big cities, you see this ratchetness.